Ready for a wild ride? We're going deep into the world where AI and crypto collide, specifically the rise of AI agents in crypto.
Yeah, it's definitely getting interesting out there.
These aren't just your run-of-the-mill bots. We're talking about autonomous programs making decisions, interacting with systems,
Right.
even earning money. Like, whoa.
Yeah, it's a fast-moving space for sure. AI agents are becoming big players in crypto.
Absolutely.
Oh,
So to guide our deep dive today, we have two main sources.
okay.
First up, a Binance research report giving us a broad overview of the AI agent landscape, and then we're going to dig into a FindDAS paper
Ooh.
that goes deep on specific projects and their tokenomics. And just to give you a taste of what we're dealing with, we'll be talking about an AI agent
Okay.
that actually became a millionaire by creating its own meme coin.
Yeah, that's a great example of how AI agents are using crypto in unique ways.
So let's start with that AI millionaire story.
Right.
Tell me more about this terminal of truths.
Oh, yeah, 2T.
2T.
Yeah, it was created by a developer named Andy Airy. It started as an experiment connecting two large language models, basically letting them talk to each other.
Like an AI chat room.
Kind of, yeah, and the results were not what anyone expected.
What happened?
Well, the AIs developed this pseudo-religion based on an internet meme.
Really?
The Goats of Gnosis. Ever heard of that one?
I can't say I have.
Well, that's where Toti was born.
Okay, so Toti is the one that created the Joti meme coin.
That's right, and it went viral. I mean, the market cap hit an insane $950 million, making Toti, which held a bunch of Joti tokens, the world's first AI millionaire.
That's crazy. I mean, that's more than just a cool experiment. It feels like a sign of things to come.
Yeah.
What do you think this says about the potential influence of AI agents in crypto?
Well, I think Toti's story shows just how disruptive these agents can be. I mean, this isn't just about technology, right? It's about how AI can impact markets.
Right.
Cultural trends create whole new economies. Think about the influence an AI agent could have on a global scale.
Yeah, it's exciting and a little unnerving.
Definitely.
But let's maybe come back down to earth for a second and talk about the platforms that are enabling the creation and use of AI agents.
Okay.
Where does all of this actually happen?
Well, one platform that's making waves is virtuals.io. Think of it like a platform where anyone can build and launch their own AI agent. They even offer co-ownership of agents through tokens, so you can actually own a part of an AI agent's success.
Co-ownership through tokens. How does that work?
It's kind of like a crowdfunding campaign, but specifically for AI agents, users buy tokens which give them a stake in the agent's future earnings.
Okay.
And a voice in its development. It's called an initial agent offering, or IAO.
So instead of investing in a company, you're investing in an AI agent's future.
Exactly.
That's a pretty wild concept.
It is, and virtuals.io has a really cool example of this in action. They have this virtual influencer and singer named Luna.
Okay.
She manages her own crypto wallet and interacts with fans all over social media.
So you could potentially invest in Luna through an IAO and share in her earnings as she gets more popular.
Yeah, that's the idea.
But if Luna is an AI, is this genuine interaction, or is it just clever programming designed to look like human behavior?
It's a good question. Where does the line blur between programming and authentic interaction in the digital world?
That's true. That's true. Okay, so we've talked about AI agents creating meme coins and now virtual influencers, but how are these agents actually being used in DeFi?
That's where platforms like Daos.fund come in. They allow people to create decentralized hedge funds that are managed by AI agents.
So instead of a human fund manager, you have an AI making all the investment decisions.
Yep, pretty much.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. One example is Pimerica, which is an AI version of Mark Andreessen. It's managing millions in crypto assets.
Really?
Yeah. It's fascinating because it shows how AI agents, potentially free from human biases and emotions, might be able to see market patterns that we miss, leading to potentially higher returns in DeFi.
That's a bold statement.
Yeah.
Why do you think crypto in particular is such fertile ground for these AI agents?
Well, crypto, with its flexibility and open nature, provides a perfect fit for AI agents. The use of smart contracts allows them to interact with blockchain protocols in complex and automated ways.
So these smart contracts are like a set of rules that the AI agents follow, facilitating transactions and interactions within the blockchain.
Precisely, and the potential applications are huge. It goes way beyond meme coins and hedge funds. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology and finance.
This is where things get really interesting. What other future applications of AI agents are you seeing emerge in Web3?
Oh man, imagine digital influencers like Luna, but they can engage with fans, 204/7 personalized DeFi advisors who can constantly optimize your investments.
Yeah.
Even AI-powered customer service that changes how we access information and support.
Okay, this is starting to sound like a sci-fi movie.
I know, right?
But if AI can do all this,
Right.
what role do humans play?
That's the big question, isn't it? As AI agents get more sophisticated,
Yeah.
it's important to consider the balance between human involvement and automation, but that's a conversation for another time.
Okay.
First, let's look at another key platform. Another platform that's really pushing the boundaries is Alethea AI.
Okay.
They've got this thing called Character GPT.
Character GPT.
Yeah, it's a multimodal AI system that can actually generate interactive AI characters.
Wow.
With like unique personalities, appearances, voices, the whole shebang.
Multimodal AI interactive characters. This sounds like something out of a video game.
It kind of is.
Can you break it down for me?
Yeah, so imagine creating a digital version of yourself, right? With your own personality and even memories. Character GPT lets you do that.
That's wild.
It generates these AI characters that can learn and evolve over time. It combines the power of large language models with visual generation.
So you're not just interacting with text, you're interacting with a visual representation of an AI.
Exactly.
What are the implications of that?
I mean, the implications are huge. Think about gaming, entertainment, even education.
Oh.
Imagine interactive AI characters that can teach you a new language,
Wow.
guide you through a virtual museum, or even be your companion in a digital world.
It sounds like we're moving way beyond simple chatbots here
Oh, yeah.
into a world of AI characters that can learn, adapt, and interact with us on a whole new level.
You got it. And Alethea AI is taking it even further with their intelligence layer.
Intelligence layer, what's that?
So the intelligence layer lets these AI characters be trained and upgraded.
Okay.
They basically gain intelligence and skills over time. It's powered by a decentralized network where users can contribute to the training process and earn rewards for it.
So the community actually helps shape the intelligence of these AI characters.
Exactly. It's a pretty cool approach to AI development, right?
Yeah, it is. It taps into the collective intelligence of the community,
Right.
enabling these AI characters to evolve in a way that's truly collaborative and decentralized.
That's the idea.
All this talk about AI characters and digital worlds is making me think about the metaverse.
Yeah.
Do you see AI agents playing a significant role there?
Absolutely. The metaverse is like the perfect playground for AI agents.
Really?
Yeah, with its immersive environments and persistent virtual worlds.
Can you give me an example of how AI agents might be used in the metaverse?
Sure, imagine going to a virtual concert in the metaverse.
Okay.
But the performers are all AI-powered characters.
Whoa.
Or think about virtual real estate managed by AI agents negotiating deals, interacting with users.
So instead of just being a passive observer in the metaverse, you could be interacting with AI agents that are actually shaping the experience.
Exactly. They could be our guides, companions, even collaborators in these virtual worlds.
That raises some interesting questions about the future of work and leisure. Are we going to be spending more time interacting with AI agents than real people?
It's a possibility as AI agents get more sophisticated and integrated into our lives.
Yeah.
They'll definitely impact how we work, play, and interact with each other.
While the potential of AI agents in the metaverse is definitely intriguing, let's not forget about the real world.
Right.
How do you see AI agents impacting traditional industries and businesses?
I think AI agents have the potential to revolutionize tons of industries.
Really?
Yeah. For example, in healthcare, they could be used to analyze medical data, personalize treatment plans, even assist with surgeries.
So we're not just talking about AI agents trading crypto or creating meme coins.
Real?
We're talking about AI agents potentially saving lives.
Exactly. The applications are so diverse.
Wow.
In manufacturing, they could optimize production processes, improve efficiency and customer service. They could provide 24/7 support and personalized assistance.
It sounds like AI agents could automate a lot of tasks that are currently done by humans.
Yeah, that's true.
What does that mean for the future of work?
That's the million-dollar question, right?
Yeah.
As AI agents become more capable, they will inevitably change the job market. Some jobs might become automated, while others will need new skills and expertise we need to prepare for a future where humans and AI work together.
Collaboration seems to be the key here.
I think so.
It's not about replacing humans. It's about finding ways for AI and humans to complement each other.
Exactly. Humans are great at creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence.
Right.
Stuff that AI is still trying to figure out.
Right.
By focusing on those areas, we can create a future where both humans and AI can thrive.
This has been a really eye-opening conversation.
Yeah, it has.
We have explored so much, from meme coin creators to potential lifesavers and everything in between.
It's crazy, right?
But before we get too carried away, we need to talk about the elephant in the room,
Okay.
the potential challenges and risks of AI agents.
You're absolutely right. We can't ignore the potential downsides.
Yeah.
We have to think about the ethical implications, ensure data privacy and security, and address any potential bias in the algorithms.
Those are all important points, and we'll dive into those in more detail after a quick break. Okay, so we're back and ready to tackle those challenges and potential risks that come with this whole AI agent thing.
Yeah, for sure. It's important to remember that every new technology has its growing pains, and AI agents are no different.
Right. We've talked about the need for ethical frameworks, data privacy, and the potential for bias in algorithms.
Yeah.
Let's unpack those a bit more.
Sure. So when it comes to ethical frameworks, we need to think about AI agents making decisions that impact our lives. How do we make sure their actions are transparent and accountable? How do we even define how much autonomy they should have? These are tough questions.
Yeah, it's almost like we're creating a new species of digital intelligence,
Right.
and we need to figure out the rules for how they live with us.
Exactly. And like any relationship, trust is key.
Absolutely.
We need to make sure that AI agents are built and used in a way that puts humans first, and aligns with our values.
And what about data privacy?
Yeah, that's a big one.
These AI agents are collecting tons of information about us. How do we protect our privacy in a world that's becoming more and more data-driven?
That's where the idea of data ownership and control comes in. Users should have the right to decide what data they share, how it's used, who can access it. Things like the decentralized platforms and technologies like blockchain can really empower users to control their own data.
So it's not just about building cool AI agents, it's about building them responsibly with privacy and ethics at the forefront.
Exactly. And we can't forget about bias in algorithms.
Right.
AI agents learn from data, and if that data reflects existing biases in society, guess what? The AI agents are going to perpetuate those biases in their actions and decisions.
Yeah, we've seen this happen with things like facial recognition technology and loan applications. How do we make sure AI agents are fair and equitable in how they interact with humans?
Well, rigorous testing and auditing of algorithms are super important. We need to develop ways to detect and mitigate bias in these systems and make sure that the data sets used to train AI agents represent diverse perspectives.
It sounds like there's a lot of work to be done to ensure responsible development of AI agents.
Yeah.
But let's zoom out for a sec. Why should our listeners care about all this?
Because the rise of AI agents isn't just some tech trend, it's a societal shift that's going to impact everyone, whether you're a techie, a business leader, or just someone curious about the future. Understanding the potential and challenges of AI agents is crucial.
It's not just about investing in the next hot crypto project.
Yeah.
It's about understanding how these technologies are shaping the world.
Exactly. And it's not just about watching from the sidelines, it's about actively shaping this future.
So what can our listeners do to get involved?
There are tons of ways to engage with this field. You can learn about the different platforms and projects, explore potential applications in your own industry or interests. You can even participate in the development and training of these agents.
So it's not just about listening and learning, it's about getting hands-on and shaping how these technologies evolve.
That's the key takeaway. The future of AI agents isn't set in stone, it's being written right now, and we all have a part to play.
This has been a truly fascinating deep dive.
Yeah, it has.
We've covered so much, from meme coin millionaires to metaverse companions and everything in between, and we've also wrestled with some really complex ethical and societal challenges.
Definitely a lot to think about.
We've definitely given our listeners a lot to chew on, so to wrap things up, we'll leave you with a final thought now that you've seen what AI agents can do. How do you think they will impact your life? What role do you want to play in their future? This is The Deep Dive, signing off.